Welcome to this tutorial video on trading cash spots on PersonalFinanceLab. A cash spot market trades financial instruments with an immediate delivery, or on the spot, as the name suggests. In this financial market, cash is exchanged directly for other currencies, commodities, or other assets. To make a spot order, go to Stock Game on the main menu and click Cash Spots. Select a commodity from the symbol drop-down menu to get a quote. Choose whether you want to buy, sell, or, if your session allows, you can also short or cover. Select Buy to purchase a currency and Sell when you no longer want to own them. Select Short if you think the currency will go down, and Cover to close your short position. Enter the quantity you would like to invest. All orders on the spot market are market orders and will fill immediately at the current price. Click Preview to see the estimated cost with commission. Add trade notes, and then click Confirm to complete your order. If you're trading a lot of currencies, we recommend checking the Forex Trading pit. From here, you can display multiple currency pairs at the same time. If you have any questions, click Contact Us to speak to a member of our team. Our help desk is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Outside of those hours, you can create a ticket that will receive updates directly to your messaging center on PersonalFinanceLab. Thanks for watching.